sure you subscribe to this channel.
Hey guys. That's right, I'm back. Sorry, I took a hiatus. I still did loads. I just was not in the mood to do anything else. We got door 15 here, guys. We're really low on fuel, and I gotta make it to a certain station, or you know, I'm gonna spend way too much. What do you guys think about fuel prices right now? I just cut my freaking finger off. Felt like it. Beautiful trailer. 20 loads later, we got dents all over the inside. But hey, I just wanted to pop up on here and let you guys know I'm not dead yet. But yeah, all the way down there at the end, I've got where somebody put their forks through it. I tell you what. Just figured I'd shoot a quick live video. Well, I mean, we're not live, but we got door 15. We got a slider tandems. We get up here. I'll show you how much fuel I got. It's pretty funny. My truck is dirty. I need a wash. Oh, look at that. Paired, it said. We're not super far from a fuel station, but I've never got it this low before. When it's my sensor's messed up, the wires are broke, like that go into the waterproof plug. So you have to, like, I had to shred them and, like, you know, stick them into this plug, so they kind of jiggle around and fall out sometimes. So you can't really trust that. Usually it tells me there's a lot less than there is. So but hey, we're going to door 15. I wish I had a better setup, and that's kind of the biggest reason why I don't film, is I talk too much. It's a ton of editing, and I don't have a good setup to give you guys a good view of what I'm doing. And I mean, that's my fault, but I'm not making any money, so doing, you know, recording this is just taking my time away from, you know, whatever I might be doing. You know me, I'm a family guy. I hate taking time away from family. Bad enough I'm trucking, you know what I'm saying? That's the worst thing you can do. Here's door 15. We're gonna be a rookie about this and look like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna put her in the door and I'll holler at you in a second. Alright, we're gonna pop our whatever you call them, tandems. Put it in the door. When we get a green light, we go back up there and do our paperwork. These are the sliding tandems. That's the noise you're hearing, is those releasing. Boom, that was fast. This whole thing, this whole carriage slides back. And I've got several options. As you can see, the holes all the way through there. There's 4 of these. And they allow me to distribute the weight properly on the rear axles. That way I don't break any roads. So to move them, you just simply unlock that. You hold the it's back up. Sometimes you have to bump it forward or reverse the opposite direction you're going to get it to release completely. We'll leave the back brakes on. We'll bump it. Okay, now we can go forward. We'll go forward and those wheels will stay and the trailer will go forward. And it'll, when it's done, there you go. Then you release, let the air, and then those things will pop back in. They'll find a hole. You kind of just gotta wait. You don't want to rush that. All right, now we're putting her in the hoe. Anyways, I think I'll go live. Make it. All right, we just was live for a little bit over an hour. Had quite a few people in there. Appreciate that. Always good to see people like to come in and holler at me for a minute. At the moment, it's burrito time. Nah, I kept saying that on the live stream, then I start talking again. I'm like, I'm gonna go make a burrito, guys. I gotta go. And then we talk again. I might have put too much information on that, like, so I'm not gonna like keep that on. So if you've seen it, good. If not, you're not gonna see it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to put too much personal info out there, you know, like a lot of my opinions and stuff too. It's not what this channel's about, right? Is that done? Nice. I think it's done. I'm gonna give it another 30 seconds just to kill the diseases. We're still red light, guys. It is let's say 1:21. Oh my gosh. Okay, my appointment was at 1 or at noon. They started loading me about 45 minutes, so it's not too bad, I guess. But I'm going to a PFG, and the people in chat were talking about there being a lumper, so I'm gonna stop and get a couple fuel checks or EFS, whatever, those com data or whatever. See if I can get a couple of those, and we'll go from there. I'll holler at you later. If you want to get your load done quick, just cook some food. They'll have the load done before your food's done. We're charging air right now, and we gotta make it to the fuel station before that runs out. And the closest one's like 50-something miles away, so let's gamble. Okay, so these are floor loaded. They're giant boxes full of to-go boxes, pretty much like plastic tops. So yeah, it's pretty light too. Look at my airbag. My alarm is messed up. I have to jiggle a wire and then it'll be fine, but yeah. See, so we're charging air and it's still barely over, what is that, 15, 20. We good. This is a light load. I love light load. Just got the bills. It's Zaxby's vented plastic to-go box or something. Just fucking made it. Oh yeah, my friends, we made it. Whoa. Oh man. $5.29 cash. I'll get 12 cents off. Back closer to shower power. And we're back in the messy truck. On another break. I got to needing to get some bites, so got me some rice. I suggest these. They microwave really fast. They don't taste bad in my opinion. My daughter Courtney, she cannot stand them, but I like them. I got 3 different types. I got the garden vegetable. I've got his I don't know, taco blend, and then I've got the whole grain, which is good. It's just a lot there for one person. That's the problem. And they're about $2.39 or something. But I can eat this and not be hungry for like 4 hours. So if you could see my mess here, there's my skillet when I cook. There's my paper plates. Always got some green beans and my favorite, canned spinach. Popeye spinach. Here's that. This is my ultimately favorite one. Whole grain brown. And then here's the Spanish style. There we go. They're good. Yeah. This with some salt. Good. Also with some chicken breasts, it would be good too, but I ain't got time for that. We gotta get back on the road. We're at a rest area in Kentucky, and we're headed to kind of central actually. It's just northeast of Atlanta. Wow. So we're going up there. I'm gonna try to eat this. I need a spoon. I do need a spoon. I don't have a spoon. I also left my bowl at home. Yeah. Here's my redneck AC. If you don't know about it, there's more videos on this channel about it. Here it is. I'm gonna turn it into a heater because it's literally, you just vent out the cold air, and then where the vent that goes outside, that you pump hot air outside. So I'm just gonna reverse it, like vent out the cold air and pump the hot air into the bed area. So we'll see how that works. I'm not idling. I'm idling right now only because I'm using a microwave. You can check out what I did here. You notice the cabinet's gone. I got a TV that actually vibrated apart. Got to figure out how to fix that. There's my fridge. I kept the bottom part to keep my shoes and the grill and everything in. I kept this one over here. And then there's my inverter. I did another video about that. Not the greatest. It's got really high power output, but not the greatest. I don't know what's up, but whatever. So yeah, we're gonna do trucker weight loss one day. I just need to get all my stuff in place so I don't fail. But hey, quick update. I called the broker called me. They call a lot, and that's fine. Even though they track me on an app that I have to download that tracks me everywhere. But whatever. They called me and I was like, oh, what about a lumper? They're like, oh, it's prepaid. If there's any problem at all, you give me a call. So, oh, that's awesome. That's the way it should be. I said, yeah, these lumper, hey, 1950 called. They want their, process back. But there's that beautiful rest area. Here's a beautiful newer Freightliner Cascadia. I was looking at getting one, guys, but man, I can't justify it. This truck's just too cheap, you know? But we got fuel. It stopped at 741 bucks for some reason. I'm using their fleet card, so I don't know what that's about. But it is a bank holiday, so Columbus Day or whatever, so whatever. There's 4 minutes of me talking for no reason. Stay tuned. Well, here we are at the place that takes all my money. Got some chicken, $8 chicken. Beautiful Pete back there, matching the chrome trailer. Wait till you see this one. Very cool. Invisible no more. Ho Chunk cried, stop killing our sisters. You got a message to come across? Right there, right on the trailer. This is the name of the trucking company too, Ho Chunk or whatever. I believe in Wisconsin, there's a, what's left of the full moon. Wisconsin had a thing. Here's my awesome parking job. I'm literally gonna pull up. A little crooked. Just the little things, man. But anyways, I'm here for the night, so talk to you in the morning. Well, here we are. There's the dry dock. It is 7:20 a.m. I've got checked in. I checked in over there, got moved over here. Gonna be taking one of these as soon as somebody pulls something out. Yeah, there's a refrigerated side over there. I'm at the dry dock. Let's see how long this takes, because they say that I've seen them like 5 to 8 hours, and then I've seen other ones that are 30 minutes. So all I got's a whole bunch of to-go boxes. They're floor loaded and all that, and prepaid. The broker said the lumper is prepaid to call him if they give me any crap, which they haven't. Security was awesome here, and the girl inside shipping was fairly nice, or receiving or whatever. So I just washed these windows yesterday. Don't give me any crap. That's what's up. I'm gonna cook a sausage biscuit. Right away, if I do teach you anything, it's do not heat your food up in plastic. It's bad enough it's packed in that. There you go. Let's see. If you're doing trucking, the best way to save money is cook your own food. And we're in a door. That was probably the most annoying thing you'll ever hear me do on here, other than talk. About to get back into sleep with Bert, take a nap, and finish this sleeper split. But I got unloaded. It did not even take them an hour. The whole process took an hour and a half, but once I got in the door, pretty quick. It was all hand unloaded too. I think they just pushed the cart back there and tilted the boxes. I don't think I showed you a picture of the boxes. I didn't take one. I am at Circle K in Gainesville, and you can't tell. Got a guy over there working on a reefer. Got another guy over here working on a truck. There's a bunch of trailers everywhere. It's not a good place to try to sleep with the windows down. So keep that in mind if you're ever in Gainesville, Georgia. This 10 spot here for trucks at this Circle K. No, just don't. I'm probably gonna freaking PC somewhere else. Oh, my load canceled, guys. My load canceled. So I supposedly got a tow new. I haven't seen it yet. And then I got another load that starts tomorrow morning at 7. Goes up to Menards in Wisconsin somewhere. Deliver that Friday morning and then go home. I might try to find something quick to get home, but probably do some Amazon this weekend just to make up for this today. I'm looking for Amazon today. It's not doing too well. Looks like there's a couple things for like 300 bucks. It's just not really worth all that time. Anyways, that's the end of this video. You know, my next load is not going to happen. I'm not going to Michigan now. Looks like I'm going to Wisconsin. Go up there and see DIY and the gang. But that's it. Make sure you subscribe. If I think of anything else while I'm editing, I'll jump in. But other than that, might do another video about this next load. I don't know. I'm gonna get a nap. I can't think.
This trucking life.